Good morning, students. Today we are learning Geography Class 6, Lesson 1, the Earth in the Solar System. We are going to learn celestial body, solar system, sun, earth, moon, planets, asteroids, meteorites, etc. etc. Some objects are twinkling like stars, some are not like moon. Okay, it is full moon, and full moon is when we are seeing the full moon in the sky. Full moon and Purnima is same, and opposite is Amavasya when there is no moon in the sky. It is the concept when moon becomes in between earth and sun, that time we can't see the moon because of its own shadow. But in other way, we can see sometimes half, sometimes full. It's also the same concept. So now celestial bodies. So many celestial bodies we can see in the sky. Okay. Those objects, they are shining in the night sky. These are called celestial body. Now, stars. Stars are made up of gases, hydrogen, helium. It is big, it is very hot celestial body having own heat and light. Okay? It is the sun and the earth. We know sun is a star and stars in the night sky are similar to the sun. Okay? So we don't feel any heat because they are very far from us. But why we can't see the moon and all these stars in the day? Because of bright light of sun. Now see what is constellation. We know it is star patterns. So here we will see what is constellation. Group of stars forming a definite shape is called constellation. For example, Big Bear. It is Big Bear. It is the Saptarishi. Saptarishi part of Ursa Major. And Ursa Major, Big Bear, one such constellation. It is very famous constellation. It is a group of 7 stars. Here it is the we can see because of help of the pointer stars of the Saptarishi, we can point out the North Star. And from the North Star, we can identify where is north direction, where is south, where is east and west. It is the planets, 8 planets. So celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light and they are called planets. Greek word planetai, which means wanderer. Earth is a wanderer and other planets also wander, rotating around the sun. Here, Earth is a good friend of Moon. Moon is a natural satellite. The solar system consists of Sun, 8 planets, 5 dwarf planets, satellites, asteroids, and meteoroids. Now, Sun is the center. It has hydrogen helium gas, and it provides pulling force. Sun is ultimate source of heat, you know, and we don't feel so much heat because it is very far from us, and the distance between Earth and Sun is 150 million kilometer. Planets are 8 in order of their distance. There are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Planets we can learn, and very small trick is there. My very educated mother just serves us nuts. Here also, my very excited mother just shows us nachos. All 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in a fixed path and it is called orbit. Here, the smallest orbit of Mercury and biggest orbit of Neptune. You can see Mercury is the closest and smallest planet, and it takes 88 days to complete one orbit. Venus is the twin of the solar system. Venus is considered Earth's twin because of shape, size, everything similar. And Pluto is a dwarf planet. Okay, so however, International Astronomical Union decide Pluto, like other celestial objects discovered in recent past years, they are called dwarf planets. Okay, so here is the orbit of Pluto. We can see Earth is our home and filled with the life. Earth, it is the fifth largest planet. Okay, is slightly flattened at the poles, jewel shape, or they have the condition favorable air, water. Okay, food, everything is there. It is neither too hot nor too cold. Okay, life support. It is life supporting gases are there. It is the jewel shape. Now, Earth is called blue planet because 2/3 of surface is covered by the water. It is the blue planet. Now moon, it is the natural satellite. Diameter is 1/4, 1/4 of that of Earth, and it appears very big because it is very near. And the distance also given 384,400 kilometer away from us. See here we can see the diameter of moon is 1/4 of diameter of Earth. So moon takes 27 days to move around the sun. Okay, so it takes exactly the same time, 27 days, for spinning, for rotation, for revolution also same time, 27. So only one side we can see. So moon does not have any means condition favorable for no air, no water, nothing. Okay, so it is the moon. Asteroids, so let's see. Asteroids are rocky and metallic bodies that orbit the sun. They are found around the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids, it is the same. Okay, it is the means numerous tiny bodies that move around the sun. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. And it is the meteoroids. So here meteoroids are there. See, rocky and metallic fragment of an asteroid. Okay, it is sometimes it touches the earth, sometimes. Okay, streak of light we can see. Okay, and heat and all. So meteorites sometimes come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated and flash of light we can see. Okay, sometimes falls on the earth and creates a hollow. It is the Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy, it is a cluster of stars. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy or Akash Ganga. Billions of stars are there. The universe, inside the universe, Milky Way galaxy, inside the Milky Way galaxy, solar system, inside the solar system, Earth is there, inside the Earth, India is there. So here the some questions are there, like how is the sky filled with the filled after sunset in the night? So bright objects and dim objects. What is the name given to the full moon? That is Purnima. Name given to the new moon, Amavasya. Celestial bodies, sun, moon, everything. Okay. Celestial bodies which have their own heat and light. Stars. The most recognizable constellation, Saptarishi. Star indicate the North Pole star. The celestial bodies which do not have their own heat and light but they light up the light, name as planets. Planet word derived from planetai, which is name as Greek word. Celestial bodies form the solar system. Sun, planets, satellite, asteroids, and meteors. Okay. Now, thank you.